We're starting a school year unlike any we've ever experienced. On top of all the health concerns connected to reopening schools, educators are understandably nervous about starting a fresh school year that's either partially or entirely virtual. We know that great relationships are the foundation of a truly empowering school culture and climate, and that they foster academic achievement in the classroom. So in this workshop, we're going to provide practical tools and strategies to answer the questions that so many educators have on their minds right now. For example, how will we build relationships with our students and cultivate trust and empathy, especially when we're not teaching in person? How will we enable our students to meaningfully connect with each other? Our students have been dealing with being cut off from school, the serious safety concerns of a pandemic, our nation's confrontation with race, all at once. So how will we reestablish school as a place of safety, stability, love, and respect, and create a space in which we can listen to our students and guide them to process their feelings and experiences over the past several months? Participants will lead this workshop with several practical tools and resources that give them the confidence that they're prepared to start this school year and meet the social emotional needs of their students. These restorative practices are of course suitable for in-person learning, but we'll make sure that everyone can implement them virtually as well. There's something worthwhile for everyone, so I hope to see you there.